Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wild life is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West Adventurous Kids. Learning and fun. Adventurous Kids!
Today, I'm going to tell you about vision problems. So, to understand a lot of the vision problems that you can get, first have to understand how eyes work. So, the main part of your eye, the retina, absorbs light, and that light sends an electrical signal to your brain, which creates the image. Your eye is also composed of two very important things called rods and cones. So, the rods of your eyes are on the edge of your retina, and they help you see in dim light. They help you detect movement, and they help you form the shapes of things. You also have cones, and cones are sensitive to red, green, and blue light, and it's what helps you see color. So like if you've ever seen like the old school 3D glasses have a red filter and a blue filter, and when you put them on, that's what helps you see things in 3D. It's because it's manipulating the cones in your eyes so that when you see those colors, you see them like as if they're coming towards you. So some eye diseases that you can get. You can get cataracts. That's pretty common. And what that is it's cloudy vision, right? So someone who has cataracts, it makes it so that it almost like, imagine like a filter, like a sepia filter over everything, right? And if untreated, fortunately enough, there are treatments. You can go to your eye doctor. He or she can help you with that. But if cataracts goes untreated, it can lead to blindness. You're going to notice that most of these diseases, if untreated, lead to blindness. So another one that's pretty common is diabetic retinopathy. Hard to say if you're not a doctor, of which I am not. And that's when damaged blood cells behind the back of the eye start to deteriorate, and that can also, if untreated, lead to blindness. Glaucoma, which is another very common eye disease that people suffer from. It's a group of diseases. It's not just one, but it's a group of diseases that damage the optic nerve, and again, if left untreated, leads to blindness. And I think with glaucoma, even with treated, it can delay blindness, but I think blindness is eventually what happens there. It's a degenerative disease. And then there's something that's very common called conjunctivitis, and that's pink eye, right? And you can get that pretty easily. There gets to be like a little sore in the corner of your eye gets pink, which is why it's colloquially called pink eye, and that one is easily treated if you go see a doctor. Now you know a little bit more about how the eye works and some diseases you can get in them. Thank you for watching this episode of Adventurous Kids.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!